Now this is not so bad. Okay, I'm just going to drive straight and hard left. Hard left, because there is no room to the right. We're just going to keep going hard. Now, maybe we don't hit the trailer. Let's do that one more time. Okay, restart. Drive straight, and my goal is to get close to that trailer when I'm done setting up. All right, okay. So all the way to the right. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to point. Yeah, I'm going to just point my steer straight. All right, and then kind of watch what happens. All right. If I find myself, well, basically, if I find myself too close to the trailer closest to me, I have to chase it. Too far away, I have to jackknife. All right. I'm just going to keep chasing it right now. I'm watching the very back of my trailer. And if it gets too close to that far trailer, I'm going to have to start jackknifing again. Okay, but right now it's looking good. Maybe I need to jackknife just a little bit. Okay, and we can always do a pull forward. Now everything has to be cranked hard to the left or hard to the right. We're just going to keep backing up. We're parallel now. Let's go beyond a little bit. Okay, all the way to the right. Slowly pull forward. Stop before you hit the wall. Okay, and then back it up. And we might have to do a pull forward. I've already lost my 3 stars. Yeah, this is not the easiest. I probably should have given more time. All right, so there we go. Okay, I only got 2 stars.